Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, man. The Don is back. You see me, John Biscuit Don back in the building, gang. I know y'all missed me, man. I know y'all missed me. I've been seeing the likes, I've been seeing the comments. Shout out to Tanisha. She's like, last video, she was like, yo, Massacre bring you out, I did. But not like that, gang. You know, just a lot of stuff been going on. Like, my equipment have been working properly, plus work, and a lot of stuff going on like I'm working on, okay? But you don't know, your boy is here, never leaving you off for too long, man. You don't know what time it is. Shout out to T-Man with the plan. You see me, I say, he asked for a request, a reaction. Hold on, what the last one I got? Somebody to Camille Ennis. You see me, can you react to Squash? Tell me now. You see me, I say, yeah, man. So Camille, big up yourself. You see me, I say, Camille, big up yourself. You see me, I say, we're gonna do this reaction for you. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna jump right this. Squash is back, man. I love to see this. I love to see Squash active. Squash is really supposed to be the one run dancer right now, man. And nobody never active like Squash, you know. Man just active, consistently giving back-to-back hits and shit like that. Straight vibes, really good music. And plus, the crew, them very, very talented and full of vibes as well. You see me, I say, but yeah, man, Squash dropped new tune. Just dropped one with Byron Masai called Head Charge like 2 days ago. And dropped the one named Tell Me No. You see me, I'll check it out right now. Squash. Tell me no. Get it?
Tips. I tell her, brother. I just all love done already in the dog. I just me alone, I'm going on the real one them would around me in the dog, you see me?
Clad, man, I tell you straight him trust. I love done, you know. You see me, I say too much man cross the dog. You see me, too much people fake friend and them thing they dog saying done with them trust and anything there. You see me, I say, oh, I'm sorry for you that do a Squash dog.
So you feel like some I see friends and family sell me out.
Jaja. Man, and some crazy rumors that circle with Squash and him family and them. But we don't like to get into them things. We like to keep about the music, you know what I'm saying?
Everybody, I sit on the realest pussy. Who left to sell me out? Just tell me now. Just tell me now. Who left to switch? Just tell me now. And who they have a fame, brother? Just tell me now. The amount of that.
Easy, man. Say, yo, but it's exactly what we're talking about, bro. You see, man say, who left to switch? Sell me out? Just tell me now. You see me? Who left to switch? Just tell me now, bro. You see me, not for growing call, not for island. You know what I'm saying? Behind my back. Just tell me now, dog. You see me? Just tell me, say you're there. What you there for? You're just there for the money. You're there for the fame, for the girl. Just be real. You see me? I say, you don't have to pretend. You see?
Who left to sell me out? Just tell me now. Just tell me now. Who left to switch? Just tell me now. And who they have a fame, brother? Just tell me now.
See what I said?
It's me, I meant to treat even now. Me no know who for trust, I mean I left my gun. Hard phrase, love gone and I let me down. And a lucky thing, me skill me wood.
Man say, yo, me no know who for trust. Me no left my gun, bro. Hard freeze. You see me let down. Enough time people let down the dog. Disappointed dog. Sometimes yeah, people on them dark me say, if you wonder why, you know. You see me what I'm saying?
Make it out. Who to make it out? Who to make it? Up in my zone with the rum and I'm a phone. I pray in my phone, who I real and who for go. Cause when them sell me out to work, I live for me alone.
Hey, yo, Squash done. Yo, this man can make some mad tune. So I'm not saying he can make a hype tune and he can make mids tune, but he still have a bones. Cause this man be tune some hard ass rhythm. Listen to the beat.
I real and who for go. Cause when them sell me out to work, I live for me alone. Keep me clip them full and free to put the bottom on my chrome. Boy, I hold me.
Easy now, man. I'm tear, man. Say when they sell a waggle left, I'm me alone. You see me? So I keep the clip them full and I'm free to put a bat on this. You see me? I say, yeah, man.
Vengeance fool me, I go tell them some man. Watch out with the rifle, brawling in a face, me make it slam. Some pussy, I go get it on and go take me long. So me put up people in 16. Can't do a fly, jump out, water. See, just about say that fly.
Man say, car. Hey, man say, yo, car do a pull dog. Hey, what that say?
Can't do a fly, jump out, water. See, just about say.
Scene, you know, even the car do them and bully star fly, boy. You see me, limb and chest here up. Jesus.
Fly jump out water, see just about said I fly me no tell you 6 real, 6 bars them can't defeat we.
Who left to sell me out just 6 is real easy now, man. Yo, come in.
Tell me now, who left to switch? Just tell me now. And who they have a fame, brother? Just tell me now. The amount of darkness me I meant to treat even now. Me no know who for trust, I mean I left my gun. Hard phrase, love gone and I let me down. And a lucky thing, me skill me who to make it out. Who to make it.
You think in skill, you want to make it out. You see me, so I'm showing you with some man, you see me, he walking, man. You see me, I just skill and knowledge and them wisdom and we bring them through. Yeah.
Like them no know I say a brawling man do this. AR and AK we use press out face.
Yo.
Press out sauce string and 4-1 we place.
AR, AK, we use press out face, brother. I'm to you, man. Hey, easy.
My name, so a badness fears. Badness a badness and the badness can change. Blast some real youth, sauce spring. Sugar kill 2 fly, good just the same. Weed rum cigarette, that can't cool my brain.
Badness a badness and it can't change, you know. You see me, man?
Say yeah, me make more than 40 at dopey. Walla with the pants, pussy hole on the dopey, yo.
Oh, clean 6 bars. Squash. I say, yeah, go ahead. Man say make more than 40 at dopey, brother. Easy.
That can't cool my brain. That is say yeah, me make more than 40 at dopey. Walla with the pants, pussy hole on the dopey, yo. Badness you know what should me no chucky. Call it shake, call it pinky and me for me, yo. Pussy face can't fix with putty. AK 6 pants, everything get ugly. Boy, head open up, yeah.
Easy now, man. AK 6 pants, everything get ugly, brother. I want to you, man. Nothing pretty ugly.
Sweet putty, sweet putty,
Can't fix it.
who left say
Putty can't fix it, brother. Them like. Shot slamming at your face, brother. When gunshot tell a brain experience, not if, yeah, man, Putty can't fix this, brother. You think arts and craft?
tell me what, just tell me now. Who left the switch? Just tell me now. How would they have a fame, brother? Just tell me now. The amount of darkness me, I meant to change it now. Me no know how to trust, I mean I left my gun. Hard phrase, love gone and I let me down. And a lucky thing, my skill me to make it out. And a lucky thing, my skill me to make it out.
Yeah, man. X-Bass. Squash. I tell you now, one of the most talented artists out there. Ah, you tune in. Yeah, man, them man a talented, bad man. Bad artist, brother. You see me? Come to catchiness and style and man got to, yeah, man.
Who left the switch? Just tell me now. How would they have a fame, brother? Just tell me now.
Make the mads, you can make the meds tune them. The vibes tune them, the gangster tune them, the girl tune them, the dance tune them. Dog talented, bro. You see, I ain't supposed to have any place right now. I know why dog go take a break, bro. I know why dog go take a break for dogs. Why shouldn't take a break, bro? You see me, I say, keep it consistent. Cause nobody ain't consistent like them man, you know that. Big man thing. Yeah, the man are consistent like Cartel, brother. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I always a job tune, bro, every week or two. Then you see me? I guess the dog go deal with some legal matters. I guess the whole thing was about him immigration, get arrested or whatever the hell it is about. But yes, they married, so I think he's still the American and I think. But I gotta get back more consistent now, man. You see me? And that will go on, man. Squash? Yeah, man, dog. Yeah, man. Dog is back. 6 Bass is back. You see me? I say, so I check it out. You see me? I say, I keep where I am. You see me? I put that keep up consistent. I keep doing some bad, man. And so more bangers like Money Fever, like Blood Clot Foot, like one in Cartel, enough songs. You see me I say, yeah man, just like do me that and you see me I say and enough to me can't even think of it right now. You see me I say, but yeah man, 6 Bass is back. Don't know gang if you like the show the artists and love and support, make you know say jam is good and send. Oh no, you already know what time it is gang. Boys back, so stay tuned for the reaction. I don't know. Next time. As you're not a bang, figure yourself, nature, love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.